Hello, my name is John Zaktansky. I'm the Middle Susquehanna Riverkeeper coming to you today from Sunbury, Pennsylvania. Excited to bring to you the next in what we're calling the Study the Susquehanna video series, which are hands-on cool things you can do with your families at home to kind of explore and get a feel for our watershed even if you aren't able to get outdoors. Today's experiment is going to include a large glass bowl and a small glass bowl and some hot water and some other ingredients. Obviously with the glass and with the hot water, you want to be careful with kids and kind of help them through this process. We're going to start with our large bowl and add some hot water. I prefer super hot, boiling if possible, which once again you want to be safe with, but the best results come from really warm water. To kind of help us see the water and what's going on, well, we're going to add some food coloring. I have green today just because I happen to have green on me, and it matches my green shirt, so it's color coordinated. So how about that? We're going to mix in the green food coloring. We're going to take a little bit of salt. This is more so just to kind of give us a feel of what's going on at the end, and we'll explain that some then. You don't need a set amount of salt, just sprinkle some in, and as we know, salt in water is really easy to detect. It can taint the water pretty quickly. And then we take our small bowl and simply sit it down inside with the hot water around it. And then we want to take some cling wrap and seal this up as best as we can. Now some bowls are easier to seal with and others are not. So we're going to do our best to conceal it. Just seal this down and not lose any of that hot water vapor that's going on inside there. Now the water cycle is broken down into numerous parts. It's how the water moves through, and it goes from the ground, it evaporates up and condenses and then comes back down, and there's a lot of really cool attributes with that. So to help us get the full effect, we also have some ice. And we want to put a hunk of ice kind of right in the middle. So therefore we have this little contained water cycle going on inside here. We have the hot water. We have obviously inside it's going to condense, it's going to evaporate, it's going to hit our saran wrap, and the saran wrap is going to act like a cloud where it's going to collect that water vapor. And then when it gets to the center, we're going to have this ice, which is kind of like a cool atmosphere, which is going to help take that condensing and churn into precipitation. And we'll check back in this. We're going to let this sit for a while and see what happens, and we will check back and let you go from there.